Happy New Year, guys. Hello guys, so I'm starting this video on the 1st of December, but I know that by the time you guys are going to be seeing this video, it's going to be year 2025 already. So I want to officially welcome you guys to year 2025. Happy New Year, guys. I pray that year 2025 is going to be a year filled with beautiful surprises. This is going to be a year of answered prayers for you. This is going to be a year where you're going to do amazing things. You're going to do big things. You're going to do great things. This year is going to be filled with testimonies of God's goodness, of God's mercy in your life, in your family. This is going to be a year of big accomplishments. That is my honest prayer for you guys. So my stay in Latvia is gradually coming to a close. It's been a beautiful time for me in Latvia, and I'm so grateful to God for the opportunity to be able to come here for my exchange program. I loved my classes, and yeah, if I'm given this kind of opportunity again, will I say yes or no? I'm definitely going to say yes to the opportunity. Yeah, so I'm going to start packing my things. I'm not going to start packing today. So I already got my moving boxes some days ago. I just hope this thing is like very sturdy. So this is just the moving boxes, and I have like a whole lot of things to pack, but I'm going to pack it. When I was coming to Latvia, I brought just 3 boxes. Aside my checked-in bag, my hand luggage, my backpack, and those things. Like I had 3 moving boxes, but now I bought 4 moving boxes. I just hope the 4 boxes are enough. Like I cannot do more than 4 because it's going to cost me to move those boxes back to Poland. But yeah, I'm excited to be going back to Poland. So I'm going to be placing an order to move the boxes from Latvia to Poland. I used Eurosender when I was coming, so in case you are also moving, this is not a paid promotion, but I really enjoyed this service that I used when I was coming from Poland to Latvia. So they picked up my boxes right at my hostel in Poland, and they brought it here to me in Latvia. So what I did was that I just did my calculation. Like the boxes were picked a day before I traveled, and I knew that I was going to get to Latvia before they got here. So in that way I was able to like pick up my boxes when I got to Latvia. So the boxes were not waiting for me. So just like do the calculation, I did it in such a way that I would have gotten to Latvia, I would have been in my hostel before my boxes arrived. So I packed just the necessary items that I was going to use before like the boxes came into my checked-in bag, my carry-on luggage, and my school bag. So that was it. So it is like very easy. I love it. I mean, it is very affordable as compared to paying extra luggage, and you don't have to carry like plenty of loads. Like you don't have to carry plenty things, so you can just move light, you can travel light. I really love their service. Kudos to them. This is a very good initiative. I mean, I'm not advertising for them, but when something is good, you just have to say it. The boxes that I ordered, I already removed one from it. I just want to see what I got. So it was packaged like this. I mean, it was well packaged. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. This was one of the boxes that I brought when I was coming from Poland, and if you see, it's not as thick. It's not like very thick. I mean, I didn't get like a quality one when I was coming, so I won't be able to use it again to pack my things to Poland. That was why I got like a new set of boxes, but hopefully I'll be able to reuse this one because this box is thick. Like I just folded it now. Look at it. This is the thickness of the box. The box looks sturdy as compared to this one, and it's even bigger, but I mean the size is not like a problem. I got what I wanted, so I chose the size I wanted, and I got what I ordered for. But this box looks sturdier compared to the one that I brought from Poland. So hopefully by the time I get to Poland, it's still going to maintain its shape. I'll just remove my things, and then by the time I will be moving finally out of this university dormitory, I would still be able to like reuse this box. I just hope I'll be able to reuse it, because this box look at like to even fold itself. Hello guys, so this is the 18th of December and I am officially done with my exchange program here in Latvia. So I'm done with classes, I'm done with examination, I'm done with presentation and every other thing like that. And I already went to the administrative office today to sign the form that I'm supposed to sign at the end of my mobility, and then on Friday I will go and pick up my transcript, and that is all for my exchange program. It's been a worthwhile experience for me, yeah, and I would not trade this experience for anything else. And for packing, I think I should start packing as from next week. I've not packed anything. For those that are Nigerians, you know that Indomie is like a national treasure in Nigeria. So I went to pick up Indomie noodles today at the grocery store because they have Indomie at their store here. But in Poland, the African store sells Indomie in Poland, and when I converted it is actually more expensive in Poland than here. So I picked like 34 pieces of Indomie, almost 1 carton of Indomie. That is what I'm taking back with me to Poland, because why not? I don't really have anything much I want to do this Christmas than to just watch movies. So I bought this 3-in-1 ticket from Pastor Lajo Irene movie that she did, the 3-in-1 Christmas movie ticket. So I'm going to be watching that during the Christmas week. And also hopefully Christmas in Lagos, hopefully the movie is going to be showing on Prime Video for those of us in diaspora, because all this movie, we are not lucky with it when it comes to those of us in diaspora. Like Funmilayo Tom Kuti, for example, I was not able to see the movie. Like, people in Nigeria are seeing the movie on Prime Video, but it's not showing from my end. I was able to watch Breath of Life on my Prime account, but later after some time I checked Breath of Life on my Prime account and it was not showing anymore. It was saying video not available or something like that. So there are a lot of movies like that. Even Seven Doors is not on Netflix for those of us in diaspora. So I don't know what our offense is. It has to be Prime Video Nigeria or Netflix Nigeria or something like that. But anyways, hopefully Christmas in Lagos is going to be showing on Prime Video for those of us that are not in Nigeria, and I'll just watch whatever Christmas movie is available, and that's just it. I guess it's the only movie I have to watch this Christmas.
Getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun.
pieces of noodles. I'm going to put this in my check-in bag. I have my toaster here. I'm going to put it in my check-in bag, and I have few things to take from this box. This was the box I brought from Poland. So my laptop is going to go into this bag. This popcorn is just for movies. I also put aside one of my towels. This one is very light, so it's not going to take up space at all. And then I just have this popcorn kernel that I bought and brown cracker I'm taking back to Poland. This is my laptop. What else am I packing? This is going to be my hand luggage, my check-in bag. I have my Crocs, sneakers, heater. This is just some paper trash. I also have some detergent here. 3 boxes down, 1 to go. This is the 3rd box. I have some food items here. This hanger is not good again, so I'm trashing it. I have my belt, and all this is going into my checked-in bag. So I just set aside some clothes that I'm going to be using before my boxes arrive. So this one is going into my checked-in bag, all this, and just some few items. This place is clean already, so I'm going to sort this one out. I don't think there's anything here again. I still have my Zobo leaf, and this one is just salt. Duvet, the cover cloth, the bed sheet rather, and the towel is not going because this is for the hostel. This is the box that is remaining, and yeah, this is my blanket. This one is also going, so I'm going to put this in my checked-in bag.
Kò sẹ́ni tó sọ pé Àbẹ̀joyè ló pa ìyá Akẹ̀sán. Tí yóò bá tẹ̀ wá jẹ́ pé òun ló pa ìyá Akẹ̀sán, ṣé èyí ọmọ ìyá Akẹ̀sán kínkínní yóò tún wá lọ jókòó ti Àbẹ̀joyè ńlé kájọjọ máa jèrè sí àti ọbẹ̀ ẹja. Ẹbí ò sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ o.
Irú wàhálà wò lẹ fẹ́ kó o ṣe? Kí bẹ́ẹ̀ náà lè ní ṣojú yìí ló jẹ fún àwọn olóyè àwọn èèyàn pàtàkì mẹ́ta láti gbogbo. Ó ti dáná ṣe pé àwọn ọlọ́pàá ilẹ̀ kò bá ṣí sílé, ilẹ̀ kò ṣí sílé, ilẹ̀ kò ṣí ibi kan náà wà ṣí sí. Ẹ wo, èmi ti sọ fáwọn ọlọ́pàá pé ní ìṣojú yín báyìí ní Àbẹ̀joyè ṣe pa abẹ́rẹ́ ajé àtàwọn bí wọn nínú. Àṣepani níṣojú òun ló ṣe pa ìyá Akẹ̀sán. So mo ti ránṣẹ́ sọ́lọ́pàá kó wá mú Àbẹ̀joyè àti àwọn tí ọ̀rọ̀ náà ṣojú rẹ̀.
Ẹ wá gbọ́ o, bí lẹ́kùn ó bá ṣí kì í ṣe ọ̀dọ̀ èmi ọ̀tún ní òṣìṣì. Kábíyèsí.
Pēc 200 metriem aplī izbrauc 3. izejā, un tad izeja pa labi.
Remember the days we were young, wild and free, basic getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun. Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love,
continuing your journey on other LOT flights. After landing, please check the gate number of your connecting flight on the airport monitors and be at the gate at least 15 minutes before the scheduled departure time. Please take into consideration possible queues at border checkpoints and security checks. If you do not have your boarding pass for your connecting LOT flight, please go to LOT Transfer Center or directly to the departure gate. You can find more information that will help you transfer at Warsaw Chopin Airport on the last pages of Kaleidoscope, the onboard magazine.
The days we were young, wild and free, basic Gettysburg Brine. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing.